Welcome to Fluent Path English. If you want to speak clear, confident English in real life and at work, you're in the right place. Subscribe and start improving your English step by step. If you're waiting to feel ready before you speak English, you'll wait forever. The fastest way to improve is to start speaking today. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Today. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method to start speaking English, even if you're a beginner. Step 1. Stop trying to be perfect. Most beginners stay silent because they're afraid of mistakes. But mistakes are not the problem. Silence is. Even native speakers make mistakes. What matters is communication, not perfection. So from today, your goal is simple. Speak, even if it's not perfect. Step 2. Learn small, useful sentences. Don't try to learn everything. Focus on small, daily sentences. Start with phrases like, I'm ready. I don't understand. Can you repeat that? I'm learning English. These are real sentences you can use immediately. Fluency starts with repetition, not complexity. Step 3. Think in English. One big mistake is translating everything from your language. This slows you down. Instead, start thinking in simple English. For example, don't think a full paragraph. Just think, I'm tired. I'm hungry. I need water. Simple thoughts create faster speech. Step 4. Speak out loud every day. You don't need a partner to practice. Talk to yourself. Yes, really. Describe your day. I'm waking up. I'm going outside. I'm eating food. It may feel strange at first, but it trains your brain. Speaking is a muscle. You build it by using it. Step 5. Listen and repeat. Listening is just as important as speaking. Watch simple English videos. Pause. Repeat. Copy the tone, the rhythm, the pronunciation. This is how children learn language. Don't just understand. Imitate. Step 6. Use what you learn immediately. If you learn something new, use it the same day. Example. You learn I'm on my way. Use it in your mind, or say it out loud. If you don't use it, you forget it. Usage creates memory. Step 7. Stay consistent. You don't need 5 hours a day. You need 15 to 20 minutes, every single day. Consistency beats intensity. Small daily practice creates real progress. Outro. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a big vocabulary. You just need to start. Speak English today, even if it's simple. And tomorrow, you'll be better than today. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, subscribe to Fluent Path English and keep learning with me.